Hello,
Dude,
YouTube.
110 kills,
I am
dude.
Eli the Fatigued. I'm back with Antillus
Yes, sir.
and Preston. Let's go Republic.
Yeah,
Me.
I agree.
And what were you saying, Antillus?
110 kills, man.
I mean, I got 150 with the Droidica, to be fair.
To be fair.
Well, Preston got 95 and I got 86, so I don't think there's anything to complain about.
Yeah, there was a lot of death in that map. Alright.
I do not
Get
like
this, get
map already.
this.
It's already a nightmare. Oh, can I kill him?
Alright.
Wait, what's... There's 600 to 600.
Yes, I increased the maximum amount of supply. And I did not put a timer on it, so this is probably going to be a long episode.
600. Why are we all camping over here? Guys, come on.
Alright, I gotta I
I'm
gotta
just trying to
heal.
get down the stairs.
The AI are being done as well, to be fair.
Oh, well, I'm walking the wrong way.
As long as you're not
Oh,
walking
hello,
over the
everybody.
trap door and eaten by the Rancor.
Oh, can that happen?
Yes. I'll show you. Preston? Oh, our ally decided to show you. Oh yeah, be careful, there are Gamorrean guards, and they will one-shot you with their vibro axes. They randomly spawn in predetermined locations. Alright, I got your back, Antillus.
Oh dear.
That was a bad grenade on my end. Alright. Droidica down.
Nope, I got hit. Dude, that's a lot of people right there. You could totally just...
Oh, that's a thing.
I am walking the wrong way.
Oh, I almost died.
Isla Sakura. Oh,
Oh, Gamorrean guard! Watch your left, watch your left!
I realize I can choose where I want to.
Yeah, I saw you get one shot there. That was unfortunate.
You look so friendly.
Yeah, he just spawned like right behind me and I died. Like there was no ifs, ands, or buts about that. I died. Oop, another Gamorrean guard.
Where you at?
Alright.
I see you on the screen somewhere.
I'm in the southeast. I can't read the numbers because they're small on my screen. If you press M, it brings up a map,
I
though.
see you.
Oh, hi there, Skira.
Oh, hello, Jabba. I can't shoot you. No, don't fall. Don't fall on that.
I'll help you take this base.
I'll do the killing.
Alright. You don't need to be a Jedi to destroy the Droidica.
But I was anyway.
No, I actually packed it.
You know. Where are these guys?
They refuse to give up on this base.
Holy cow.
Dude,
All the holy bovines.
I was about to say all the saintly bovines, but that works too.
that was better. Better than what I said. Cows killed me.
There's no cow level. What are you talking about? Oh, that's a lot of guys that just spawned right there.
Yeah, and a lot of guys are falling to Isla Sakura. Wait, and a lot of guys just killed Isla Sakura.
Alright. We've neutralized the base, and so we win. Oh no, they're gonna take the base across the map! No! Oh, another map. Nice. Yeah, we neutralized the base, which meant they could no longer spawn, and so therefore we win. So you don't have to reduce their reinforcement points all the time. Oh, Gamorrean. Oh, I'm sorry, I was trying to kill it, but I kept missing.
Me too.
Alright, that was very, very fast, YouTube. Sorry about that.
Very.
And you thought it would be slow.
I did.
Dude, I almost killed as many as you did.
That's an accomplishment.
YouTube, thank you for joining us. I've been Eli the Fatigue, joined by Preston.
Me.
And Antillus Gaming.
Oh, there.
Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.